Hi everyone, Kyle at Frontier Chrysler. I wanted to give everybody the top 3 features that I love about our Ram 1500 Sports. So number 1 might be a little bit obvious, but it is our V8 Hemi with e-torque. So this thing is a little bit different, not just your regular old Hemi. I really like, and that's why it makes my top 3 features, is because of this little dilly right down here, right there. So that is the e-torque system on our Hemi, and what that is an electric motor that replaces the alternator. So not only does it charge the vehicle's battery, but it also discharges and acts as an electric motor to give you an extra 130 pound-feet of torque to get the vehicle moving. And it's kind of commonly known that that's where you lose a good portion of your fuel economy, is just getting that mass moving. And it's kind of overshadowed, covered up by the second feature that I really like about our 1500 Sports. Feature number 2 is our optional GT package. So what this GT package is it's not only just an appearance package. We get some upgraded seats, better than our regular Sport. We get some fancy pedals, but we get the center console shift as well, which everybody likes. And paired with the center console shift is our paddle shifters. So along with that interior specs, we do get a factory cold air intake, which is covering up that nice e-torque system. And we also get fancy exhaust right from factory. So it sounds great, tons of power. And not only that, but it does have a 392 rear axle ratio. And personally, I like having leveled vehicles with oversized tires, and that helps me retain my fuel economy. For my top 3 feature, the last but definitely not least, is the factory LED headlights. So these are super bright. You don't have to worry about getting a light bar right away. You don't have to worry about changing out the factory bulbs for getting something brighter, whether they be LED replacement bulbs, HIDs. These housings are made for LEDs. They come with LEDs. Put them on. There's no drama that goes along with putting a light bar on, drilling holes, the legality of it. Buy the truck, comes with these nice headlights, and just be done with it. Enjoy your new truck and just drive it. So those are my top 3 features that I really like about our Ram 1500 Sport. Let me know what you think. Come down, have a look at Sports. We have tons of different options of Sports, 1500s, and 1 tons, but we'll get to those later.